I've already done row 3, and this is now row 4 on the front of the piece. I have done my seed stitch for the front band, and the first stitch that I will do now on row 4 is to purl 1, and then my next stitch will be to slide this next stitch from the left needle to the right needle, and you notice that I have my yarn in back. So now I'm going to knit into the front of the stitch, and then I'm going to knit into the back of the stitch. I knit the next stitch, and I have one additional stitch, and I need to eliminate one and also create my beautiful pattern. So I'm going to slide that first stitch that I slipped over these 3 stitches, and then I purl 1. So let's do that again. Slip your stitch, knit into the front, knit into the back, knit your next stitch. You have 3 stitches here now. You're going to take this stitch right here that you slipped and slide it over your 3 stitches. Did I lose one? I did, but I can get it. And you're creating a crossover. You continue down the row, entire row, and you're going to end with a purl, and then seed stitch the rest.